Hey there, thanks for watching my CASHED review by Glynn Kosky, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into the dashboard myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when our next video comes out. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what CASHED promises us. Don't worry, this system has nothing to do with video creation, paid methods, or social media. In just 60 seconds, copy their cached system that makes them $1,000 plus per day. 100% done for you system with free buyer traffic built in. No expenses, no experience, and no tech skills. They are making at least $1,000 plus per day. They tell us for the second time that you can get started in less than 60 seconds and free buyer traffic in record time. Let's take a look inside. Here we are in the CASHED dashboard. First thing I noticed when I came in, this looks exactly like all of Glynn Kosky's other products, except there's different colors. The next thing you want to do is go to your tutorials. As you scroll down, you do have the cached tutorials at the top, but further down, but starting at Get Your Done For You affiliate links, this is all of the same stuff that is in his other products like Easy Profit Pages and Neo Commissions. These aren't actually his videos, but he does use them in all of his products. After you're done with the tutorials, you do want to integrate your autoresponder. They do give you 9 options to connect here. Next, we'll look at campaigns. This is going to be the membership site / course that you are going to send out. They do have some done for you in here, or you can create new. They also have done for you bonus pages, and there are a few of those in there as well. If we take a look at one, this one is for Bitcoin. It's just a standard page. You can see there's not a whole lot to it. There are no terms and conditions, privacy policy, or affiliate disclaimers down here. So please make sure those are on your site. Those are required by law. If we take a look at another campaign, this one I have actually made a few tweaks to just to see if it was working okay. It does seem to be fine. You can adjust and edit just about everything in here. So after your customer sees this page, they would get started for free. First, you would need to register, and then you would log in. Once you do that, you are taken to where you have placed banners with your affiliate links, as well as recommendations, more banners. This is your training course content and another banner. Now we'll look at page content. This is where you can get into trouble with CASHED because these are the videos you are going to load onto your page. They instruct you to go get videos and put them in here that you did not create. You can get in trouble for copyright infringement, and nothing stops your customer from watching this on YouTube and never coming back to your site either. This is just a list of all of your videos, but they do give you an option to manage them with a collection. However, it doesn't show what collection they are in on here, which seems very time consuming. You can search in YouTube, but in the instructions they give you, you will have to wait at least 5 minutes for the change to take effect, which means you're not going to get this done in 60 seconds. Their training is for you to go in here and add new, take anybody's video URL, add it to your collection, and then by Create Now, you would add it to your page. It would then show up in here as an additional tutorial. Next are the products. You can create a new product from here, but they have some loaded in. The ones they have loaded in, you will still have to wait for approval. Levels is a Glynn Kosky product, and if we take a look, we would still have to request approval to promote this product. Yet again, it's going to take longer than 60 seconds. So if we look at the free traffic here, this you will see in every Glynn Kosky product. He wants you to register and download 4 different traffic training apps. After you have done that, he does give you a laundry list of things where you can submit a form to get traffic from him that he has already sent all of his offers to. So if we take a look at the campaign one more time in the dashboard, they do have a traffic button here. So let's take a look at that. This says share your campaign to all the major social sites. They told us this would have nothing to do with social media. And they give you another option to share on your actual site. They do give you the buttons on the left for you to, again, share socially with add this. If we look at this, they are just throwing every app they can possibly think of at you. knowing this is not going to work for you. If you were to send this page right now to your list of people on Facebook or your list of people on Twitter, who would see that? Would that be your friends and your family? Or would that be people that know you do affiliate marketing? They trust your recommendations and they are looking forward to things to buy from you. Because if it is not the second, you will not get any extra traffic or sales from this. So what is the strategy that Cash is trying to get you to use? They want you to come in here and get approved so that you can promote all of Glynn Kosky's products on your page to your current existing social media lists and hope and pray that somebody buys this from you. Now, if somebody opts in and you do get their email address, once they come in here and get this training, this is not your training. They do not get familiar with you or learn to trust you. They are getting training from other people. So when you do finally send them an email or send them a site like this, they aren't going to know who you are or trust you or buy from you yet. Let's take a look at the pricing. This is Glynn Kosky's funnel that he always shows, but this does not correlate with what he's doing in this product. I did find this one. On the front end, Cashed is going to be $17. You may be able to find a few coupons. Upsell number 1 is going to be $67, the unlimited version. Upsell number 2 is 100% done for you at $97. Upsell number 3 is unlimited traffic at $97. Upsell number 4 is automation at $67. Upsell number 5 is ATM at $197. Upsell number 6 is ultimate, also at $197. And upsell number 7 is your license rights at $67. All total, this is going to run you $806. But if we look back on the dashboard, the upgrades that he gives us here do not necessarily correlate with the ones I just read out, and neither does this one. So I honestly don't know how much this product is going to end up costing you, but please don't waste your time, your money, or your effort on Cash. It is stealing other people's videos, which could get you in copyright trouble. This is nothing but sharing on social media. There is no free buyer traffic coming your way unless you have lists of people on social media ready to buy from you. I hope this Cash review answered all of your questions. If it didn't, let me know in the comments below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And if you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. Thanks for watching.